Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Messenger icon not showing. So you can see in the upper right corner, I don't have my Messenger icon. So it's missing, so I'm not able to send the messages to my Instagram friends. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, my guess is this is occurs if you clear the Instagram app data in continuously, so that's why it happened. So anyway, how to get this icon? So the very simple method is just all time clear the app data, but don't worry about it, all your saved photos and videos are saved, so you can do it. So basically just tap and hold on the Instagram and tap on this app info and you will see this window. Just tap on this storage and cache and tap on this clear cache and also just tap on this clear data, click on OK. So once you done this process, close all these windows and one more time I will access my Instagram application. So because you clear the cache and clear the data, so you have to log into your account. But again you can see that my messenger icon is not showing, it's missing. So how to get this? So now in this home page section, you have to go for your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and click on this settings. In settings, you will see this option privacy, just click on it. And if you scroll down, you will see this option messages, click on it. So you don't have to change anything here. So just close the Instagram application. And after a few seconds, one more time, just open up the Instagram application and you can see that my messenger icon is visible now in the upper right corner. So now one more time, if I clear the Instagram data again, like the same process, app info, storage and cache, and tap on this clear storage. Now if I go back again on my Instagram, log into my account, and you can see that my messenger icon is again missing. So the conclusion of this video is don't try to clear this Instagram app data and this will hide the messenger icon for you. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.